This is the Eastern Times Tech mechanical keyboard with LED function. As you can see right now, I've got the multicolored LEDs. I hold the function button down and hit the M. Actually, it's not the letter M, but it's the insert key. And this is all on. I can do a chasing zigzag. I can do a breathing pattern. And I can turn it off. There's also this wave pattern as well. One of the features that's also available on this keyboard is highlighting only the keys I need for my game. So I hit function 1 and I've got the ASDW and my arrow keys. Hit 2 and I get the expanded key set. Hit 3 and it has the primary left games. Here's 4 and here's 5. And if I want them all off, just hit the print screen, and I want the lights back on, use that insert key with the function. Again, this is the Eastern Tech mechanical keyboard.